Hello guys, this is Abhijan from Mind and Techie and welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about the cryptocurrency exchange, which is one of the famous exchange, and it has taken a growth in a very short time, and it is on the top two exchanges right now. And majority of coins are here supported. So we are talking about Binance. The download link is in description. I just prefer you to go to the description and just download it, because there are lots of fake links are going on and which can steal your password and ID for the stealing of your coins and all money. So let's get this started. Okay, so this is a Binance, and if you just check its overview, it is so beautiful overview. As you can see, it have lots of coins. As you can see, I did already favorites of lots of coins, and you can just trade it through Binance coin. And as you can see, Binance coin in bitcoins, in Ethereum, and in USD. So there are lots of markets right now in which the Binance is giving us. So if you just go to the settings and all, so let me show you something. So if you just go to here profile, you just see your account and funds. So there are two types of exchanges: basic exchange and advanced. In basic, you can see this kind of exchanges is there, because majority 90% of the guys are using basic because of the things. And let's, oh my god, my net is little bit slow. Okay, so as you can see basics, and now you can just trade it through Bitcoin. If you want to buy or any coin through Bitcoin, you just tap here and just like you just want to buy a Neo right now. Okay, so you just tap here and it will show you the candle of each and every steps, and where it is. Okay, so it will show you 1 hour, and it will show you lots of different time span: 1 day, 1 week time minimum. And this is the latest price which is going on. And if you just want to buy, you can just buy it as a latest price, or you can just put your bid and amount, and you can also put directly without worrying that how much percent of your Bitcoin you just want to invest. Like I have 0 right now in my account, as I have already purchased lots of coins through it. So you can directly tap on 50%, 75% of your coins you just want to buy a Neo, so you just buy it like that. And you can also buy it through this Ethereum. BNB is a Binance coin, okay, do not get confused about it. And this is USDT, US dollar. So it is a very good exchange, as you can see. And in advanced mode, you can see pro version of this one, and it is available for all users. As you can see, lots of graphs will come here in this. And sorry for this plane disturbance. And oh my god, my net is little bit slow. This is a very heavy exchange. Oh my god, now you can just check it out. It is a pro version of that Binance exchange. So you can just see the graph, and you can just see, and this, and you can just check it out. It is already get it very. Oh my god, I never use this kind of version, so I'm just a little bit confused. Okay, and pardon me for that. And you just go to account, and just go to account, and you will just see your account verification. You just do the authentication of it. And let me show you open orders. I have already put open order, means I have already put a purchase of Litecoin through Ethereum, as you can see. So you can see in open orders, order history. Let me show you some kind of order history of mine. These are my order history. As you can see, failed, cancel, because yes, and this is failed also. So I just purchased lots of coin: Tron, Funcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin is on the way, Bitcoin Gold, XRP, Ripple, and okay, you just go to here and funds deposit history. And in history, you can just see that what kind of history do your account have, means how much amount you have deposited. As you can see, I did lots of Bitcoin Gold, I deposit Bitcoin, I deposit, and this Verge coin I have also deposit. So this is a very good exchange. And if you can just see to the coin market cap, you will just check it out that the majority of coins are here, and the Binance is on the top. As you can see, Bitcoin, the king of all coins, are dad of all cryptocurrencies. So you just go to markets. Sorry for my little bit slow net. And when you will go to market, you can see that in Bitcoin also the dominance is of Binance. As you can see, both dominance through Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tron and Ethereum. Oh my god, Tron is on first. Oh my god. Okay, and when we just go to another coin, let me show you another coin. This video is a little bit big, but I will just prefer you to learn each and every step so that you can just get to know that how to buy coins and all through Binance. And if you just go to markets of Litecoin, you can also see here also Binance is there. Bithumb, Binance. So Bithumb, Bittrex and Binance, these are my top 3 exchanges which I am preferring right now. And you can just check it out, the Binance history, and link is in the description. And you just go, because there are lots of fake links are there, so they always do some kind of giveaways also. They have already did a giveaway about this. You can't believe, BMW i8, 2 BMW i8. As you can see, as the winner is already announced, these are the top 3 winners for this. So this is a very lucrative exchange and with a very good prices itself. So that's it for today itself, and you just be updated with Mind and Techie, and we will give you lots of information about other exchanges also. And I will give you a little bit of exchanges also, and labs and launchpad. Yeah, you can just see the launchpad, that what they are providing in launchpad right now. Okay, my net is slow. Okay, so in launchpad they are just giving that the press releases and all the steps, that how the blockchain projects work, next generation of themselves. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for Binance, you just go to the description, the download link is in there, and you will directly go and just make an account and start trading. It's time to get rich, guys. Thank you. Peace out.